There he is. Come look at your boat, dude. We put seats in it. It's good, right? I like the blue. Hey, it's John too. Hooray.
Hooray.
We got 3 different baits. Right?
Strike King.
Always Strike King. But which one do you want to use?
I don't want this one.
John, I already know which one you're taking.
I'll take the control.
Nice. So, the bass down there tend to feed on shiners. So I'm super happy about my pick because I get to imitate that. We have the most luck with our watermelon flack. And I've heard a ridiculous amount of people tell me that those are the ones to use there.
It's true.
So the 3 of us are gonna go out and pick a bait and go fish it and see what the new go-to bait is.
We'll see.
Let's get these things loaded up.
Let's do it.
Oh, you saw that? That was awesome. Big old jump right as my bait hit. And it struck. Fish on! Big one, big fish, big fish.
Are you reeling the fish or the bowhead? Very nice.
Big fish. Oh, he's under the boat. Oh man, you guys couldn't see that, but this fish jumped out of the water the second my bait hit. It was amazing. I got 3.4, baby. Oh yeah. There you guys go. Look at that. Oh yeah, it is. Mwah. There you go, big fella. Thank you. First fish of the day is my PB. 3.4. See, you good folks need to follow me on Instagram. Because one of the things I said this morning was I put my symptoms into WebMD, and it turns out I just need to be on a boat with a fishing rod and some beer. Here's to you, Instagram followers. Oh, I'm doing. How you doing?
Doing good. I think I'll get there by the time you guys get there.
Hey, take it out, man. Come on, man. That's accuracy. That's accuracy.
He caught me a John.
I got me a John boat. How about that? Come on, toss me back in, bro. You're taking too much line.
He's gonna take you in.
Where are you going?
Same place you're going, in the water.
Thanks, bud. Oh, you got a little one. The fish that I caught today eats those fish. Hey, that's really dark, man. It's a nice fish. Good Pulling up on you again. You got a meaty. What? That's got to be 2.5, 3.
I'm thinking just about 2 pounds, maybe just a little under. Yeah. Good driving.
Thanks, man.
A little over a pound, almost 2.
Almost a 2. Very good.
Woo!
Very good.
114.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got him. Tip up. Oh, it's good. Way to go, dude. Look at that. All right. Thanks, buddy. It's easy, don't power him too hard. You get a knot in your line. Hold on. The boat. No, don't pull. Don't pull. We got it. Hold on. Easy. I see him.
He's a big one. He is. He's a good sized fish, man. I saw him.
Oh, good thing my watch is waterproof.
This was bigger than the last one.
Dude, I can't get to him.
Take the net and scoop up the thing.
Oh, he got off.
No, sir.
Yep, he got off. He got off. Alright guys, we just made land. We had an awesome time out there on the boat. All of us caught some fish. Cosmo caught a couple little ones, John caught a little ones. I caught my new PB with a 3.4. Cosmo, did you have fun, man?
I did.
Nice, give us a thumbs up. Bam. John making his way back. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Share it with your friends, please, because the more you help me, the more awesome content I can keep putting out for you guys. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.